Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a really quick one today. I've been using my CR10 S5 3D printer a whole bunch lately. My dog is shaking the tripod, I apologize. And in the last week I've printed a lot of really tall, big prints that need a lot of bed adhesion. Now when I first got this printer, it had a big adhesion sticker that had like a texture on it to help the prints stick to the print bed. And it worked well, but it started to get some holes in it after a little while. So then I started using masking tape, which also worked well, but you have to replace it after every few prints. And so I went down to the glass and I started using a glue stick, which is pretty typical, worked well. Ran out of glue stick, and I'm in a pinch. I'm like, I gotta print some stuff. I don't have a glue stick. It's the middle of the night. What do I have? So I was like, well, I can have this Loctite spray adhesive. I'll give this a shot. And lo and behold, the stuff works amazing. So this is probably going to be my new go-to adhesion promoter for the bed. And what I do is I just dust it real light like this. It doesn't take much more than that. You get like a nice little rough kind of surface coat, little dots. You don't want to douse the whole surface or anything. You just get a couple light little mists on there so it looks hazy. And print away, and it works really well. But you let it dry before you print. So it'll dry in like 5 minutes. Let it dry enough so that it's not super gummy and sticky, and the prints will stick phenomenally well. I am betting that the 3M like Super 77 or Super 73 spray adhesives would probably work great too. But this is what I had on hand. I tried it, worked well. I figured I'd share. So hopefully that is useful to some of you. The big prints I've been doing, I'm going to do a video on those really soon because it's a really cool project that I'm working on. And I will be going to Galaxy's Edge today, and I'm going to do some video on that as well. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. I am going to get the heck out of here because I got to go to Disneyland. Have fun, kids. I'll see you soon.